right now. Artificial intelligence is changing the way money works, and some people are getting insanely rich because of it. The question is, will you be one of them? Or will you be left behind? Today, I'll show you how AI is reshaping the future of money and the surprising ways you can use it to build wealth. Think the future of money is some far-off sci-fi concept. Think again. The future is already in your pocket, on your laptop, and quietly changing the world of finance right under your nose. And the force behind it all. Artificial intelligence, AI, isn't some robot from a movie. It's the invisible engine powering the apps you use every single day. It's how your favorite streaming service knows what you want to watch next. And it's how your phone's camera makes your photos look incredible. But here's the secret the big players don't want you to know. While multi-billion-dollar companies have been using AI for years to slash costs, predict market trends, and grow at an unbelievable pace, the doors are now wide open for everyone. Everyday people, just like you and me, are finally getting their hands on this incredible technology. The question is, are you ready to use it? This isn't just about cool gadgets. This is about a fundamental shift in how wealth is created. The game has changed, and those who understand the new rules are the ones who will come out on top. So stick with me, because today we're pulling back the curtain on how AI is not just the future of technology, but the future of your bank account. So, how exactly is AI making people rich? Let's break it down into 4 key areas where this revolution is happening right now. First up, investing. For decades, Wall Street was dominated by human traders making high-stakes decisions. But now, AI-driven trading platforms are entering the scene, and they are changing everything. These algorithms can analyze millions of data points, news articles, market sentiment, historical performance in the blink of an eye. That's something no human brain, no matter how brilliant, can compete with. They can spot opportunities and execute trades faster than you can say stock market. This means retail investors now have access to tools that were once reserved for elite hedge funds, leveling the playing field and opening up new pathways to wealth. Next, let's talk about business. If you're an entrepreneur or dream of becoming one, AI is your new secret weapon. Imagine having a marketing team that works 24/7, crafting perfect ad copy and targeting the exact right customers. Picture a customer service department that can answer questions instantly at any time of day. Envision a content creation engine that helps you write blog posts, scripts, and social media updates in a fraction of the time. This isn't a fantasize what AI tools are doing for businesses right now. They automate the tedious, time-consuming tasks, freeing up entrepreneurs to focus on the big picture, strategy, innovation, and growth. It's like having a team of experts on your payroll for a tiny fraction of the cost. But you don't even need to start a full-blown business to cash in. Let's talk about side hustles. The gig economy is booming, but it's also competitive. AI gives you a massive edge. Are you a writer, AI can help you research, outline, and even draft articles, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your income. A graphic designer, AI image generators can create stunning visuals and concepts in seconds, supercharging your creativity. Whether you're a freelancer, a consultant, or an online seller, AI tools can help you do your work better, faster, and more efficiently. This means you can earn more money in less time, turning your side hustle into a serious income stream. Finally, and this is something everyone can do, AI is making it easier to save money. And as we all know, a dollar saved is a dollar earned. There are now AI-powered apps that act as your personal financial assistant. They can connect to your bank accounts, analyze your spending habits, and identify areas where you're overspending. They can automatically find and cancel unused subscriptions, negotiate better rates on your bills, and find you the best deals when you shop online. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket, constantly working to optimize your budget and keep more of your hard-earned money where it belongs with you. From investing and business to side hustles and savings, AI is creating financial opportunities everywhere you look. Now, we need to have a serious conversation. Every major technological revolution in history, the printing press, the steam engine, the internet, has created a massive divide. There were those who saw the change coming, adapted, and built incredible wealth. And then there were those who ignored it, clung to the old ways, and were left behind. AI is no different. In fact, the wealth divide it will create might be the most dramatic we've ever seen. Think about it. On one side, you'll have the AI haves. These are the people who learn to use AI as a tool, as a partner. They will use it to multiply their productivity, their income, and their opportunities. An investor using AI will consistently outperform one who doesn't. A business owner using AI will scale faster and more efficiently than a competitor who relies on manual processes. A freelancer using AI will be able to deliver higher quality work in less time, commanding higher fees. For this group, AI will be a force multiplier for wealth creation. It will unlock new levels of financial freedom and open doors that were previously unimaginable. They won't just be participating in the new economy. They will be building it. On the other side of this divide will be the AI have-nots. These are the individuals who either ignore AI, fear it, or simply fail to understand its power. They will continue to work within outdated systems, relying on methods that are becoming less and less effective. Their jobs may become automated, their businesses may become uncompetitive, and their investment strategies may become obsolete. They'll be working harder for diminishing returns, wondering why they can't seem to get ahead. It's not because they aren't smart or hardworking, it's because they're bringing a knife to a gunfight. They will be stuck on the wrong side of the wealth gap, watching as others race ahead. History provides a clear lesson. When the internet emerged, those who learned to build websites, do e-commerce, and create digital content became the new millionaires. Those who dismissed it as a fad saw their brick-and-mortar businesses struggle. The choice we face today is just as critical. The AI revolution isn't a possibility, it's a reality unfolding right now. The question is, on which side of the divide will you stand? Okay, so the stakes are high, but the good news is that it's not too late to get in the game. In fact, right now is the perfect time to start taking advantage of AI. You don't need a computer science degree or a massive budget. Here's how you can start today. First, get your hands dirty and start learning the tools. Many of the most powerful AI platforms are free or have free versions. Open up ChatGPT and ask it to help you write an email, plan a trip, or brainstorm ideas for a project. Explore Midjourney or other AI image generators to create art you could only dream of. Look into AI-powered finance apps that can help you manage your budget. The key is to stop seeing AI as a mysterious, complex thing and start treating it as a practical tool. Play with it, experiment, and see how it can fit into your life. This hands-on experience is the most valuable education you can get. Second, think about starting an AI-enhanced side hustle. I'm not saying you have to quit your job tomorrow, but you can start building an additional income stream on the side. Use AI to supercharge your existing skills. If you're a good writer, use AI to become a great and prolific one. If you have an eye for design, use AI to bring your visions to life faster than ever. You could start a small e-commerce store and use AI for product descriptions and marketing. You could launch a content creation channel like a blog or a podcast and use AI to help with research and scripting. The opportunities are endless, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. Third, put your money where the future is. Invest in the AI revolution. This doesn't mean you have to be a stock-picking genius. You can invest in AI-related companies that are building the infrastructure for this new world. Think about the companies making the chips, developing the software, and applying AI in innovative ways. You could also look at ETFs or exchange-traded funds that focus specifically on AI and robotics. This allows you to invest in a whole basket of AI-related companies at once, diversifying your risk. By investing in the industries that are powering this shift, you're not just using AI, you're owning a piece of the revolution itself. Finally, use AI for smarter financial planning. Connect your accounts to an AI budgeting app and get a clear, data-driven picture of your financial health. Use AI-powered tools to forecast your retirement savings, model different investment scenarios, and make more informed decisions about your long-term financial future. Let AI handle the number crunching so you can focus on setting your goals and creating a strategy to achieve them. The future of money isn't coming, it's already here. AI is the new wealth-building machine, but it's a machine that only works if you know how to use it. You have a choice to make. Will you adapt, learn, and use this incredible technology to build the financial future you've always wanted? Or will you stand by and risk getting left behind? The power to decide is in your hands. This is the wealthy path. If you want more insights on money, investing, and the tools that are shaping our financial freedom, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.